That's a ripper. Look at the size of him.
Good. That gave a good little fight too.
Brand new toys, and we're still taking the boat off with a spanner. Beautiful, don't you love it? There's still some coffee left. Well, back down here at Sorrento boat ramp, we're going to head out and grab some squid early this morning because the winds are going to be picking up this morning. So hopefully we can get out to Barwon Heads this morning and intercept some snapper. That is our main aim this morning, and also to try out the new Ronin Sc. Perfect conditions today. It's a beautiful morning so far, but they're predicting winds to come up later on, so as the camera comes back on me, that'd be nice.
We're back at it. Coming to you. Love.
Oh, he's a squirter.
Oh, we've got ourselves.
You've got to stop turning your back to the camera too.
No, well, I'm dancing around, trying not to get squirted by this little guy.
Oh dear.
You know what I mean? You know, so it's not easy, but
Action's quick this morning, didn't even have a chance to get set up. We've been here 5 minutes and already caught the first squid. I want to say we, I mean him.
Mate, it's
There's no
that's my second hook up.
second hook up, but he didn't have a chance to sort of, because I'm not really helping.
There's something to write home about.
We're here for bait, aren't we not?
Bait side of things. I don't know, it's alright. For I am Eggy Master! Well, we've each got roles. Mine's to catch fish and whatnot. Yours is to produce palatable content.
Palatable content. There's always one rule on the boat.
What's that?
You never touch a man's coffee.
Yeah, it's not your
Just
coffee.
in my face.
Oh, you thought it was your one, did you?
I thought it was mine. I thought, no, right.
Where'd you put yours?
It's in my bag. This guy got to my bag. He's
Oh, just rustled around while you were parking the boat.
Coffee.
Sounds like me though. I'll give you that. It's a fair assessment.
As you can see, we're travelling along. I've got the camera set up on the gimbal without the motors turned on. This is usually how I actually have the end of a tripod connected to the camera, and that's normally how I do my vlogging. up and down like a... We turn the motors on. There we are. That's
what are the numbers, mate? Speed, how fast it turns?
a bit on the piss. Got to set that up. Nice. Hope it's not stable footage. Oh. So we picked slack tide to head out through the rib.
So many idiots.
The only idiots would go out when it's like 3 metre swells.
I mean, you can tell it's like time in the water.
And then the ocean's higher than the actual Port Phillip Bay. A little bit of swell. Anchor's down, 50 metre line.
55.4.
55.4. So approximately 11 k's in a V from Barwon Heads to the Rip. Now we've caught snapper here before, so we thought we'd come out and give it another try. So basically what happens is that the snapper come in from Western Australia or South Australia and New South Wales, and they congregate at the front of the heads. So we're going to sit here and catch them. We're like the welcoming party as they cruise into the bay. Frank!
Absolutely.
First thing we do is put in the burley block.
Second thing we do, snap the tip off your small rod you just bought.
He's known for breaking things. That's why he gets called the gorilla. I'd say 30 minutes, give or take.
Yeah.
Fish will be on the bite. Just when that burley block just starts to sort of fall to the bottom, you know, and it brings them up. So Ant's sent down a sabiki, 50 metres, that's a long way to wind up. Catch some fresh bait. A little snapper.
Little pinky.
Little pinky. Well, it's not exactly you're going to use that for bait.
No, I'm not.
At least you know they're
down there.
At least they know they're down there.
Whoa, what the fuck was that just surfing through the water then? I just saw a fin in one of them. Kept the camera rolling. It was heading towards the bird.
Oh, there's dolphins just here, I think.
Oh, is it? Dolphins.
Little tip for you people out there that are using GoPros and then there's water on the screen. All you do is this. Have a baby wipe or a towel with you. All you do is lick the screen, and when that dries off, perfect. Yeah, it's all balanced with the microphone on top too. Right in the wind, so hopefully the microphone's doing its work as well. That'll be better, much better. The only disadvantage of saying is having a gimbal like this on a big camera like that is the weight. Arms get pretty sore, I've got to swap one hand to the next, like this. Certainly builds up your biceps. We'd spent all afternoon fishing out at Barwon Heads, and the only thing we'd caught was some pinkies, gurnard, and our mate the swell shark. With only a pot of dolphins in sight, we moved back in through Port Phillip Bay Heads, close to the shipping channel for an hour or two. Just as we were about to leave, we spotted a school of salmon, and this is where it started to heat up. Just about to come in and... Where are salmon? We're just about to go. And now we're smashing the salmon. So they're fast moving today. So that's the call though. Keep trawling past them all the time. As soon as we go over it, double hookup.